Hi.
Hi.
Today we are going to do the refrigerator challenge. Maddie is our designated feeder.
And
me and Kirsty are gonna be blindfolded, and she's gonna spoon us. She's gonna give us random foods out of the refrigerator, and we have to guess what they are. And if we're wrong, then we're wrong. Ready, go.
Wait.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Wait, come on. I'm not ready.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one.
Oh god.
Okay, 3. I'll pick it out, Kirsten. 3, 2, 1. It was in sour cream. Can we get a drink in between? Yeah, give me a second to put this on. That was so gross. Did you give us like a huge spoon? Maddie, hurry up on the drink. Mina got so much more than you. She got like a whole mouthful. I was like, yeah, girl.
So, I thought it was vanilla yogurt. And I was like, is this rotten yogurt? Na 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 na.
Okay, I'm ready. Open up. Wait, where's it at? Stick your tongue in it. You guys barely got any. It's you got it. Plum sauce. No. Do you want more? I need another taste.
Is it teriyaki? It's soy sauce.
The Yoshida sauce?
No! Yoshida sauce!
Are you sure it's not the plum sauce? It's not called plum sauce. But is it the plum sauce? Okay, tell me if this looks like plum sauce. It says Lee Kunki.
Oh, is it Lee Kunki?
Oh wait, yeah. Okay, just look. The plum sauce. It's called poison sauce. See, Lee Kunki, Tang Aha.
Sitting here with my friend.
No.
Her name is Kirsten Jopang. And that's Maddie over there. Yeah. She has long luscious hair. What? Oh.
I'm scared. Is it like a sauce again? Nope. Is it a real food? Oh
no.
Jane!
What is this? Oh, just
no, I got it. 1, 2. Oh! What is it? What is it? I want it out.
Is that dog food?
It was corned beef hash. Uncooked? What is this?
Oh my god.
You took all of that?
You guys are, I thought you guys are eating dog food.
We do. Yeah. We put corned beef hash uncooked in our mouth. Oh my god.
Okay, instant dance party, Nina, right here.
Love, money, party. Love, money, party.
Wow.
Unreal! Oh my gosh, I'm burned.
Oh my god.
Can you swallow it?
Yeah,
You look so red.
There's a... You're pretty. Pretty girl.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Dance party with no arms.
I've been up all night, trying to get that rich. I've been working on my milk the whole game twice. Gotta get it how I live. I've been working on my now get this work.